Assalamualaikum class 3 subject science. How are you student? I hope that you will be fine. Lecture number 4. Let's start reading. Page number 7. The nervous system. Asabi Nizam. The brain and the nerves. From the nervous system, the nerves in the body receive signal from the sense organ and take messages to the brain. Receive वसूल करना. Nervous system असाबी निज़ाम. Messages पैगामात. The excretory system इखराजी निज़ाम. Through the excretory system we are able to get rid of all the waste products of the body. The lungs get rid of waste air. The kidneys गुर्दे get rid of urine and the skin get rid of sweat पसीना. Concept check. There are many parts and systems in the body match the system or organ to its function. Column A, column B. Match करना है. Skeletal system gives the body a framework and protects part of it. Brain match करेंगे the control center of the body. Muscular system works closely with the skeletal system to allow us to move many parts of the body. Digestive system carries food through the stomach and other channels. Question number 7 notes. Name the parts of the brain. जिसम दिमाग के हिस्सों के नाम लिखें. The human brain divided into 3 parts. इंसानी दिमाग के 3 हिस्से हैं. cerebellum, medulla. Learn question number 7. Reading page number 7. Learn and write. Take care. Allah Hafiz.